guys, welcome back to Ivy and Skin. Thank you guys for tuning back into my channel. I'd like to welcome you all and greet you all according to your time zone. All my lovely subscribers, both old and new, you guys are welcome. You guys are awesome. But if you're yet to subscribe, please kindly do your girl a solid by clicking on the subscription button as well as the notification bell so whenever I post new videos, you'll be first to get notified. So guys, this is a video to teach you how to make your own makeup cleanser, and I'll tell you why you need a makeup cleanser. Most people just feel like when they want to take off their makeup, all they have to do is just wash with soap. You can wash with soap, and I promise you, I guarantee you 110% that your makeup is not clean. Your face is not clean. Most of the times, this is the problem we have in how our pores get clogged and we break out. And you wonder and say, oh, but I use this soap. Someone told me that this soap is very good for acne. How come I'm using it and I'm still breaking out? I wash my face, I use facial toner, I use everything I'm supposed to do for my night routine. I take off my makeup. So why am I breaking out? Well, this is the thing, my dear. You have to use, first of all, you could use like a facial wipe. Yes, you could use a facial wipe to wipe your face first. A facial wipe, you can use, then you wash your face. If you watch my video that I made about 2 videos away that I made for my face, weekly face routine. So what you do, these are the steps you follow. First of all, you wipe your face, you wipe your makeup off, especially when you have makeup on. You wipe your makeup off with your facial wipes. If you don't have facial wipes, then that's when you use your makeup cleanser. Now, why I like to teach you guys how to make this makeup cleanser is because most people break out or are allergic to facial wipes. Yes, I've had that problem few times. Now, my inspiration behind making this video for the makeup remover is cleansers because when I that's my video I made about the my weekly face routine. You saw those wipes that I use. Yes, I've forgotten the name. Those wipes are quite popular, it's not hard to find. And when I ran out and I decided to get another one, I bought another one and I had a reaction. Yes, if you look at my face, my forehead, you will notice some little stuff there. Yeah, and by my jaw side there, you will notice too. So I had some reactions on my face, and so I had to, because look, you have to understand that these wipes are factory made, and good gracious, we don't even know what chemicals they put in them, truth be told. But if you find one that you use and it's sort of good for your face, by all means stick to it. And that's where I had the problem. I found the one that was very good for my face. I was using it for my face. Then when I ran out, I went to buy another one. Possibly I'm thinking that the one I bought was fake. Yeah, that's what I thought. I think it was fake. So that's the problem. You could buy a product today, and by the time you go back to buy another one, when you run out, the next one you buy might just be fake. So I had that problem, and it sort of gave me a reaction. My yeah, and my forehead, it gave me a reaction, really bad reaction, and that's really like made my face look terrible. So yes, so because of that, I said, okay, I have to make my own makeup cleanser. And what I love about this makeup cleanser is that you can make yours and the ingredients are not so hard to come by. Now this is the thing, whatever ingredients I list, I will also put an alternative just in case you don't have that particular one. You can alternate. So that's the good thing about this makeup cleanser. And yes, I do have a demonstrational video showing how I use it to take off the makeup, which you're going to see at the end of the video while I take it to my workstation. Yeah, it's not really my workstation per se, it's just my dining table, and I put a towel on top of the dining table and I use it as a workstation. I'm trying to see if that is good and how it turns out, then I might just as well use my dining table as my workstation. So yes, now this is the step. You wipe your face with your facial wipes. You wipe your face with your facial wipes. The next step, okay, facial wipes or makeup cleanser. You use a cotton wool to clean your makeup. Clean it thoroughly. And when you think your face is clean and there's nothing on it, then the next step is you wash your face with your soap. After you wash your face with your soap, you pat it dry, then you can use your facial toner. After your facial toner, then you apply your facial cream. After your facial cream, if you have serum, then you apply your serum on it. You can wait like 30 seconds or 1 minute before you apply your facial serum or your facial oil. So when you apply that, then your face is clean and free of all makeup and dirt and debris, and you're good to go. So that's the step you take to clean your face so that you don't end up with remnants of makeup and all that clothes and accumulate into your pores and cause you breakout and acne. So yes, and even melasma as well. I'll make a video for that. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I like to say let's go to my studio, my part-time studio, and I'll show you how you make your own makeup cleanser. Please ignore this bottle, ignore this Johnson bottle. I didn't have an extra bottle to turn it into, so I just had to use this bottle. Bottles like this are empty ones. I like to keep them in. Reuse them for DIYs, yes. Wait, let me just mention the ingredient. I'm going to put a list of the ingredient as well as the alternative, just in case you don't have that particular ingredient. You don't be like, oh, I don't have that one, so I can't do anything. Now, about the oil. I use the witch hazel. I use the oil. Excuse me. I use witch hazel. I use oil. I use lactic acid, glycolic acid, what do you call it? Rose water, and I think that's about it. Yeah, I use a. Please, that name is long. I will not call it here, so I don't go and make a fool of myself. So I'll just put it up there on the screen. But then if you don't have that one, it's like a foam booster for your cocoa something bedtime. Yeah, cocoa something bedtime. That's the name. I will put it on the screen. And if you don't have that one, you can alternate. I will let you know what the alternative ingredient is. So let me kindly list the ingredients for you. Put it on the screen so that you see it. I'll do it for you guys. Without wasting much of your time, I'd like to say thank you all for watching this video, and please kindly do me a solid and help me click on that subscription button and the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to notify. It will help the algorithm of this video, please. And do please give me a thumbs up. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next. So welcome to my workstation, and this is my white sterilized bowl and my little hand mixer that I'll be using. So we're going to make 200 mils in total, and these are the list of the ingredients: cocamide propyl butane, which is a foam booster, or castile soap. Or if you don't have any of these two, you can use baby body wash, liquid soap. Lactic acid 1 teaspoon, glycolic acid 1 teaspoon, rose water, distilled water 150 ml. Please, the both of this, one or the other. Do not use tap or borehole water, please. Witch hazel 20 ml, lavender essential oil 5 drops, oil or vegetable glycerin, oil that is suitable for your skin type, please. I use jojoba in apricot oil because these oils are suitable for my skin type. So if you don't know the oils that is suitable for your skin type, just use only vegetable glycerin, please. Okay, so that's it basically. Put it all together, mix it, turn it into your bottle, shake away, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that, easy peasy breezy. So guys, let's enjoy this video.